Hi guys, welcome to the short video about how to find out which folders you have to back up or what's in the folders which you are backing up on Google Photos. So Google Photos have updated their software again, and so it has changed again, but now again to the positive. So for a long time, many years, we didn't know what to back up or what's in the backup folders they were showing us. And then they upgraded that. They were showing us a preview of the pictures, then they removed it, and now they're bringing it back but in another place. So this is how to find it. So usually you click on the right top to the settings, and then you have the photo settings here, backup and sync, and then you have these device folders, but when you click on that you see nothing. No matter what you do, you can click on that, activate, deactivate, there's no preview. So how to find out what's in there? There are so many sometimes, like here when you have a lot of different apps, you are playing around with pictures, videos and so on, and you don't know what's inside, where you have to back up, which folders you have to back up and which not. Some folders could contain maybe dozens of or hundreds of useless videos, photos which you don't need to back up. So how to find out which ones you have to back up? So we go back here a little bit, go out totally out of the settings, and on the right bottom we have this library thing here, and in this library thing we have photos on device. That's really important. So we click on view all. Unfortunately we cannot see which ones we have activated for backup, but at least we get these things. So if you're looking for something, let's say you have installed an app and you want to have it backed up, like from a new security camera, you have the footage, you know it's there somewhere, but you don't know which folder you need. And so you can scroll through here and try to find which one you need. I mean, you can see the preview here, and in my case that was the one here. That's just called video. It's not like, it doesn't have the name of the video camera, it's just called video. How should I know that it's the folder from the new security camera? And here you can see that backup and sync, and I can activate that finally, and so we'll have the footage backed on my Google Photo storage for free. So it's a little bit cumbersome, but at least again we have an option with a nice preview where we can directly activate backup and sync. So I like that. I mean, it's not perfect, but it's better than what we had a couple of weeks ago. And so that's it for now. I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.